Today we're going to have a look at the Eli-Wrap Pipe Repair Bandage. Very easy to use. Comes in a nice presentable pack with gloves, a putty for repairing the hole, and then the bandage which reacts chemically with the water to create a permanent seal. Let's start by plugging the leak with the putty. Okay, I've cut off the right amount of putty I need to fix the hole. Now I just need to mix it up together, as it's an epoxy resin. Mix the two components and cause the chemical reaction which will make it go hard. Okay, now we just apply the wrap, which will react with the water to create a permanent seal. There you have it. There's a permanent fix there. As you can see, the frothing on top of the repair bandage, that's the resins reacting with the water and creating a permanent watertight fix.